Did you know that Australia has loads of untapped scholarship opportunities for international students? Anywhere you come from in the world, you can study in Australia, either master's by research or bachelor's or a PhD. Oh yes, they recently opened this door for you to come and study in Australia, and they have easy routes to becoming permanent resident. Don't get me wrong, wanting to study in Canada, USA, UK, or any European countries is also a good choice, but everything is not about or is not revolving around them. So Australia recently, as you can see, some of my videos has opened this opportunity for you to study at any university in Australia free of charge. And today we are taking you to Charles Darwin University in Australia. So they've opened their robust international scholarships for both domestic students, that is those who have Australian passports, New Zealand citizens, and international students. So you can either do masters by research or a PhD. So even if you don't want to do research, this is a good opportunity for you to go and learn. Of course, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. So great. They have opened this opportunity for you to apply and study in 2026. This is a fully funded opportunity. Everything is paid for you. They have relocation allowance of $2,500 for international students and $2,000 for domestic students. If you are going to relocate with family, and along the line of relocating with family, of course you want to also procreate, which is the thing that the creator wants us to do. So we can also, even if you procreate, and that means have children, you'll be paid maternity leave. If you are sick along the course of your studies, you'll be paid sick leave. How beautiful this is. And even if you want to do part-time or full-time, this opportunity presents itself for you. So do you want to still sit on the fence and say, can I apply? Would they take me? Do I even have what it takes? Why not just give it a try? Let me take you to the website so you can see the worth of the scholarship yourself, how to apply, the deadlines that you need to keep in mind, and the eligibility criteria, the document you need, and all things application process step-by-step guide. So let's go now to the website. Hello, the greater you. This is Charles Darwin University Australia website for the scholarship. So on this video, just like we've explained already, we'll be taking you through how to apply and the deadline. Great. So the 2026 Research Training Program RTP scholarship round has now opened. So application for domestic applicants closes on the 31st of October 2025. It's good to know the deadline first. And then while the international applications close on the 30th of September 2025. So we have this is August, we have about a month to apply for this scholarship. So successful applicants will commence their higher education degree by research at CDU between 12 Jan and 27th March 2026. So these are the dates which we've just mentioned. So what you need is to complete the application. Minimum 2 academic referees report. You need English proficiency result. If you're taught in English, they can waive it for you. Academic document, your supervisor confirmation email, and then your curriculum vitae, your research output if applicable. So for those going for masters by research, you will not need your research output, for example, maybe publications. So let's go down to scholarship ranking guidelines. So all scholarships are considered and awarded through a competitive process. So these are the guidelines which we can come and look at it. Okay, let's just look at it now. Great. So these are the criteria. So you must be a domestic student or international. You must meet the CDU's academic and English language entry requirements. So must be currently in higher education. So you can read this. Not really, yeah. I'm sure all of you, or majority of you, would merit this. So then you check the ranking here, read all this on your own. So how they take, what are the things that influence them to pick, that will pick you as the best candidate. So let's go now to in terms of, we're going to go to how to apply soon. In terms of the stipend, so these are the amount they pay you as stipend, and that is for full-time or part-time. So you can also do part-time, which is good. And in terms of, they also give you paid sick leave. That is, if you are sick along your research journey, they will be paying you. And if you are relocating with family, and of course you are creating life as well, you on maternity leave, whether you're a man or a woman, you'll be paid. So there is a paid maternity leave, and there is a relocation allowance. So the relocation allowance for this scholarship recipient is up to $2,000 for domestic students and $2,500 for international students. So conditions are applied. Yeah, so if you need any advice from the university, you can click here, but let's check now how to apply. So RTP scholarship for international student applications closes on Tuesday 30th September. So you click here to apply. Before you apply, please look at this. Applicant must have a CDU supervisor to apply. So for you to apply, click here. You must first of all get a supervisor's approval, which is here. Click there. Then you find your supervisor. So find a research supervisor and research project. So you find your supervisors in related field using here. So it depends on if you're going for business and law. This is the website. This is the database. All your, whatsoever is your course, your program, you can click any of this and find a supervisor, send them an email and your research interest. And once they confirm that they will be supervising you, then you use their confirmation email to apply. So let's click business and law and see how it goes. So these are business and law supervisors. So if you are within business and law, going to do business and law, so these are their potential supervisors. So you read them, you read their research interest, and then get in touch with them that you would like to join their research community. So once they respond, you use that to apply. So this is that. You can also search for social and public policy. These are the supervisors. Then just want to make this video too long, so let's just to touch base and show you how that works. Cool. So once you get the confirmation email, then you come here to apply. So welcome to CDU apply online. So undergraduate, masters and PhD apply through here. So you click register. I'm sure you as a new user, you don't have to log in because you did not register. You need to register first. So you put your name. That's my name. Email, my password. Are you already in Australia? No, I'm sure I'm not in Australia yet. Nationality, Nigerian. I am a Nigerian. So you put your nationality here. Where is me? Correct, Nigeria. Cool. So thank you for your interest in applying for CP. Please note that students from your country of citizenship are required to apply through a registered CDU agent. Correct. So now people from my country, that's Nigeria, must apply via the CDU agent. So these are the list of them. So I need to go to them, go and apply via the agent, which is here. So we look forward to receiving my application. So you click here and find the agent. That's the link. It's loading. Excellent. Yeah. So I will then search for my agent. So these are the agents here. There's IAE Global UK and Europe Limited. So these are the list of agents. So you check them and then apply via them. You can click here and request a call back. Yeah, put your name, everything. Then this agent will call you back. Then you can apply via them. So that's how it's done, but I'm not sure they will require any application fee. So that's how it works. So let's go back and check. If you check your country of origin, again, let me use Morocco and see if people from Morocco would need to apply via agents. My email address, create password, yes. Cool. So I've read this register. Great. So people from Morocco are not requested to apply via agent. So if you need help on how we can help you to apply, either through the university directly or via agents, we'll be ready to help you with this. And also, if you need help on writing your expression of interest letter, we can help you to do that, craft that, and also help you to write research proposal. So this is our YouTube channel, which you can explore most of our videos about how to study in Australia. And we are also compiling a course that has all the things you need for you to launch your study abroad dreams end to end. So everything you need in that course, you need to study abroad, will be there in the course, from the funding to how to write a curriculum vitae, to write your personal statement, sample of personal statement. So everything you need end to end have been put in that course that we are currently developing. So if you would like to purchase the course once it's opened, please drop a comment on the comment section, and then I will put your name on the pre-order, as we are currently developing this, and I'm sure it's going to help you launch your abroad dreams. So now that you are here, being the fact that you are a Moroccan, so you can apply via the university directly. So what you would do here is to check the type of scholarship you are looking for, the type of programs you want to study. Masters by research, you search that, and then you click search now. Once you click search now, you will see masters by research high cost, masters by research low cost. So which one do you want to apply? Duration 2 years. So you click this one. You want to apply this one. Cool. So once you are here, before you start, so are you eligible? If you are 16 years plus, you are not an Australian or New Zealand citizen or permanent resident. If you can pay your tuition fees or living costs for the duration, we click yes, you are eligible. Supporting documents. To avoid delay processing, we require you to submit your certified documents, so which you've already got them. So you click apply now. Great. So once you click apply now, you then click here to put all your details, put everything about your details here, first name, surname. I'm sure these ones are so simple. Your nationality is Moroccan, your date of birth, and then you attach your passport here. Attach your passport, and then once that is done, You fill your home address, fill all of them here, and then your postal address, you fill them here, and then you keep saving and continue. So then your current study, have you been enrolled in Charles Darwin? No. Are you currently studying in Australia? No. You click no. Are you, then your course reference, this is it. I'm just giving you a sample of this because since I'm not ready to apply fully, so but I know that you can have the full details. So your research project, yes, so you write your research topic here, then you attach a project outline. That's your research proposal, your proposed research project, which if you want us to help you, we'll be able to help you with that. And then you drag and drop them or upload them here. And then your potential supervisor, remember which we said at the beginning of this video that you should first of all find them. So you write their title, their names here and their school, and then you save and continue. So that's the overview of the entire application. So once you attach, you verify and you submit. And this is for those who would apply directly to the university. If you are if you are from Nigeria, you need to apply via an agent, which we've shown you already. Do not forget that I'm rooting for you. Do not stop rooting for yourself. See you at the top. That's where I belong. The greater you.